there, my name is Kira and I am the creator and artist behind the painted chip. Today I'm going to be giving a quick tutorial on how I made the fruit mosaics. So let's jump right in. So I started off by going through all the different paint chips that I have and picking out the colors that I wanted. I wanted different tones and different variations of the color red. Can you guess what fruit I'm going to do today? After lightly sketching out the shape of the fruit in pencil, I started to cut up the paint chips. I like to do small angular shapes. The trick to make them look really mosaic is to cut the pieces first and then place them where they fit best. I only cut specifically shaped pieces at the very end to fill in any holes. Then, just using a glue stick, I pasted the shapes within the pencil drawing and sometimes on the line directly to cover it up a bit. I like the more ombre look, so I started with more dark on the bottom and worked my way up. After finishing the body, I started to make little small pieces to fill in some of those holes. And then I used a brown for the stem and two different greens for the leaves. Alright, so that's the behind the scenes look on how I made those fruit mosaics. You can do it with a bunch of different fruits and a bunch of different colors, so be creative and make it your own. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, and check out our website. The link is in the bio for more ideas on how to use those paint chips for crafts, art projects, and other fun things.